of all, if you come PMP meeting and you go PTA meeting, you're not going good, you know. Because the PMP is a lifestyle. The PMP is about a particular outcome for your country.
Damion Crawford, come in front of the class, because you must come for. I you say anything where you plan, them say when man a plan got a wife, know what you do. You hear me I tell you? Know what you do, Damion Crawford. Any money Andrew owns pay for run against Marky G, know what you do. Because you're going to lose your integrity where you did have. People are going to lose respect for you. The PMP party come from 14 seats to 28 seats. And you're going to tell me, say, you a plan for go against Marky G? Dear me, I know what you do, yeah, man. Don't make me start behaving with everybody else. You talk to you nice and calm, you know. I don't know, but I don't know, fucking at the bumbo clot party like I'm going to feel like I'm joking this, you know. You see the pressure with blood clot poor people under, and they make something I don't want to run to now. Eh? Look at the man unite the blood clot party. Hey, dear me, I know what you do, you know. Know what you fucking do, you hear me, I tell you.
So viewers and subscribers, shoving in at the camp. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, before we start talking about what really are going on, I want to feel like up the video, you know. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, you know. Oh, you're subscribed already, big up on yourself. As you know, the video drop, make sure you give video one like, you see me? Anyway, viewers and subscribers, them say Damion Crawford want takeover from Mark Golden, guys. Viewers and subscribers, put a thought like comment. I don't know if it because him younger or him more intelligent. I don't know. You tell me, guys.
So I talk to you now because there's a system the way you embrace so make we fight yourself. How can you fight yourself when the system don't fight you? There's a system now where the youth them now I drink rum and boom from morning till night, and the man will make rum now and drink it, and the man will make boom now and drink it. And yet still him take it up on the nose, him kidney soon for start the dialysis because that is the outcome of rum. And that's the outcome of boom. I drink rum when I go out, but I can't imagine from my wake in the morning till I go to bed in the night is rum and boom. So therefore, there's another system now where make people say them now vote.
And subscribers, when we think say this thing over, brother, I just a start a more problem in the parliament, you see me? Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you put your thought in the comment section, tell me what you think. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, who have ears will hear. Anyway, you hear the rum talking come back again, so it's like, the man say that's why them not vote, you see me, because this Marky G drink a lot of rum. Viewers and subscribers, you know the rum argument when they come up on the air, you see me? Anyway, viewers and subscribers, as me always say, put your thought in the comment section, tell me what you think. Tell me if a long time Crawford a fight against Mark Golden for the position.
As it goes, it's just a matter of time for the truth to be exposed and for things to turn in their way. Ah, what is this? Leadership challenge about to start from the PMP Corporation. And guess what? Wow, Damion the Rasta Crawford clashing Mark British Golden. You know here, Jesus from their camp leaked the info. The Rima News. The man said, within 6 to 1 month, in giving Mark to set up or get up, because I'm coming for the top. I'm too weak and lazy and puny, and a few more time where's tears are over and never return. The PMP Corporation clashing again can never unite. But I wonder who gonna take Damion Crawford said, and who gonna take Mark Golden said. Well, the risers are there, and the executive of the PMP, them today. So, make we see the bangarang. Make we see. Enough is enough, Damion said. I come from a rightful position to be the top man for the PMP. Only me alone can defeat Pro God. What is this?
So viewers and subscribers, let's see how it goes. You see me? Anyway, if him should take over still and figure win out for the Prime Minister, will be the first Rastaman to turn a Prime Minister. That will be a history still. Anyway, we not take that from him. He's very intelligent. So let's see how it goes, guys. And me don't know if a rumor. As Jamaican always say, if you no go so, in here go so.
And then I understand the only place where you're equal to Bush Stewart is in the polling station. If you're going to a supermarket, you're not equal to Bush Stewart. If you're going to the bank, you're not equal to Bush Stewart. If you go even to the church, pastor, look on Bush Stewart offering. But in the polling station, Bush Stewart X is 1X and your X is 1X. The only time you have equal power to Bush Stewart is in the polling station. So how you can give up the one time where you have true power? Because we don't know ourselves and what it means. If you don't understand yourself and know what it means, then you're going to act in ways where negative to yourself. Let's look at how much people sell them vote to the JLP the last time. To the JLP. I will tell them we're not frightened for things that we know we can't afford. So therefore, we're not run down that. But let me tell the maths. Because every day I do the maths and I tell the people, if you sell your vote for $5,000 for 5 years, that's $1,000 a year. And the year of 12 months, that's $83 a month. And the month of 30 days, so that's about $2.40 a day. And the day of 24 hours, so that's a 10 cents an hour. How can you sell yourself?
Good afternoon. I'm making this video just to remind the public that the JLP is on a full campaign of misinformation at every level. Recently, they have circulated a video of a communication that was made 5 years ago when Mark Golding was competing against Lisa Anna for leadership of the party. At that time, all PMP individuals had a duty to analyze the candidates to suggest where they were going. As you have heard in the video, I believe Mark Golding is highly competent and he has my full support. What it is that they are not wanting to talk about and seeking to distract from is that corruption have been the highest in Jamaica since they have been in the government. That each and every single one have almost become wealthy in the leadership of the country, and that there is a great concern about their type of leadership. What I don't want to have fulsome conversation about is that they inherited poverty at 11% and is now at 12.1%. What I don't want to talk about is that our children are getting 18% probability of getting 5 subjects. So do not delay yourself with this ridiculousness about whatever. There is no division in the People's National Party. That video that they have circulating is a 5-year-old video, and that was in the analysis of all candidates going forward for leadership. Let them remind you that Andrew Holness was suggested to be not smart and that he was afraid of smart people by Christoph Khan. Let them remind you that the vast majority of them that is now in government was against Andrew Holness when he was challenged by Al Shah. Also let them remind you that they have proven themselves incapable of continuing to run this country. So ignore that and let us move on to 1 degree per household.